Welcome guys, I hope you're doing great. In this video today we're going to learn how to DIY a round mirror wall decor with embossed leaves. Now the fun part of this project is that the items required are locally available and you may end up spending as little as no coin. Now first we are going to make several leaves from paper. The paper we are going to use should not be just any other paper, but ensure it is of a strong, firm and thick material and of a shiny appearance. So for me, I decided to cut an old table calendar for this project because I found it strong, firm and it has that shiny appearance. It is smooth. So I'm just folding out these pieces because I'm going to trace out this pattern on them. Now I already have this pre-cut pattern. You can have yours, you can have any size that you want. It can be longer than this or shorter than the one I'm using. I'll then cut out the traced pattern to have a leaf shape. And I'm going to do this for several of these papers. That one means that I'm going to have a number of leaves, and the number of leaves you're going to have depend on the size of your mirror diameter. Like for me, I'm going to use an 8-inch diameter mirror, so I'm going to make around 20 of these. But if you have a bigger mirror, you can definitely have more, or you'll always be able to adjust according to the size of your mirror. By the way, I'm so happy you're watching this video. For my returning subscribers, I say thanks to you. You are my motivation and the reason I look forward to uploading more DIY tutorials every day. And if you are new to this channel and you like DIYs, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Next, we are going to glue down a thin piece of wire along the midrib of each leaf. So ensure you leave a small piece of wire sticking out to emulate a leaf petiole. For our leaves to appear real, we are going to draw the midrib and the veins on the paper leaves using a hot glue, and then we are going to let them dry. After making our embossed leaves, we are going to bend them like I've done these ones because I don't want flat and plain leaves. I bet you'll also love the end results. Now I'm just using this small bottle to enable me have a uniform bended leaves. We'll then trace the mirror on the cardboard and then cut it out, because this is going to form the base where we're going to put our mirror. This thread is to help make it easier to hang the wall decor on the wall. Next, I'll attach the paper leaves around the carton box to find out if I have enough of them, and also to ensure I've spaced them equally before I glue them down. This is really turning out how I really want it to be. Now we're going to spray paint it outside to have this shiny metallic look. Then finally we're going to glue down our mirror on the carton box, and then our mirror is going to be ready to be hung on the wall. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this wall decor. Have a nice time and thank you. Bye.